All right, welcome back to Unbox and Chill. You know I always appreciate you stopping in. And of course, we're here because we have an unboxing. I do want to see at the top of the video real quick, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. We did cross over 1,000 subscribers. We do have a giveaway going on right now. I've had to extend the time just because I've had stuff going on in my personal life. I am back now. We are shooting some videos. We're going to have them coming out regularly, trying to stick to a Monday and Thursday schedule. I'm actually going to knock out a couple videos today, so they'll be in the can, kind of ready to go, just to kind of let you guys know. But I am going to extend the time for the giveaway. We're probably going to extend the giveaway to January 31st of 2022, just to give everybody some time. Go ahead and get everybody's entry going on. I do still have the entries at the link below. You can, if you haven't yet, at the link below, you can jump in, put your email in there, make sure you follow us or subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then give us a follow on Instagram, and just those three things, and you are entered. Like I said, we'll announce the winner on January 31st. I've had to push it back just because of my taking time away from YouTube personally, but I'm back now, and we've got an unboxing, okay? Can't wait to send something out to somebody. This was the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and we did cross over that. I think we're at 1,050 or so right now. So, like I said, if you're new around here, this is a watch channel. We love watches, and we unbox them and we talk about them. So, okay. Now, this one is from WatchGang.com. So, if you don't know WatchGang.com, it is a subscription box service that will send you watches every month. This particular one is from their watch wheel, and it is a tier one watch that you can get from their watch wheel. Let's take a look here, okay? I do want to say also real quick before I jump in, guys, this is my, in terms of a wristwatch check, I'm running Oris Aquis. Very nice. I do love this Carlos Coste special edition here. So I love the black and orange. So that's what I'm wearing today. I got the Aquis on. I'm going to take this off and put this to the side for now. We'll ready my wrist for the new watch, okay? Now, enter the box. We've got a nice blue box here with kind of this cross pattern. This is the James McCabe. If you remember, we have unboxed a James McCabe before on the channel. I believe it came with the black tier. It was the Baja Chrono, I believe, is the one that we unboxed. This one is an automatic, so I'll go ahead and let you know that now. This is an automatic watch, so it is mechanical. And I will say right off the bat that this box here is actually, it's quite clearly the same boxes that are used for the Court to Bear watches as well, with the gold, insignia and logos on them. I'm sure they're made in the same Chinese factory, but just a no frills basic box, and as you'll see that as we jump inside here. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to put the watch to the side real quick. Along here you can see this is not like this is like not let's see here. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. So the box definitely is no frills, guys. As you can see, it's a little screwed up here in terms of the insert and everything. You do have some silica gel. Try not to ingest that, but it's just very basic. At this price point, remember this was a tier 1 spin to get into, approximately like $55 to $60 to get. So to get an automatic watch at that price point is already, gotta be honest, it's pretty damn good. But you're getting no frills at this point, right? So James McCabe up there in the box, so felt lined. You do get, of course, a warranty card here. And then you get, of course, an instruction manual. Okay, we'll take that, we'll put that to the side real quick. And in terms of the actual watch, one thing that also I will say real quick that annoys me about this, they do this in this box and the Court to Bear boxes, is the two-tone. I find that to me looks, I mean, it's a cheap watch, but it just makes a presentation that's already cheap look even cheaper, is this beige. Having this part beige within this part blue just looks terrible. If this was all blue, I think it would look a lot better. I don't know who, I mean, I'm sure this is just kind of a basic box, and perhaps they just add this piece. They all probably look like this, but I don't know. But this just, to me, just looks very cheap. This being misaligned and misshapen. If they would have just done this all blue, it would have looked so much better. But anyway, in terms, again, it's 55, 60 bucks. What do we, what do you expect? In terms of what we got here, guys, it's the Legacy. So this one's the Legacy Diver. Let's go in real quick for some detail. Here it is here. We're going to run down the specs. As you can see, you've got a, I guess kind of a gradient type of dial here. It is gray in the center, but it does fade to black. Out there from the center. It's kind of a gradient out to the edges there. The indices are applied on this one is something that I notice. And let me see if I can take the plastic off here because I'm curious as to, kind of feel it and see what the finishes and everything looks like. So this is brand new, guys. We're taking all the plastic off and everything right now. Bear with me 1 second while we get this off here. There we go. So now let's open it up here, and in terms of the case back, you can see, hopefully you can see, there we go. You've got, looks like it does say Legacy Diver. It says Legacy Diver on there, and it's got like a James McCabe, looks like signature, and some couple, just some information etched in there. Again, it's, it's not anything too crazy, no exhibition case back, nothing like that. As we unscrew the crown here, so this is a diver, it does have a screw down crown, so there should be some halfway decent water resistance. We'll go ahead and wind it, give it a little bit of juice here. So there you go. It doesn't say the type of movement. I'm wondering if it's just some kind of nondescript Chinese movement, or if it's an NH, I mean, I was guessing it's probably an NH35, but listening to how it sounds, let's see here. So yeah, it does hack. It's got hacking, it's got hand winding. It does have a date window right there at the 3 o'clock. As you can see, the indices here, just lines. They are applied. There are some Roman numerals, of course, at the 12, the 9, and the 6. Like I said, the 3 o'clock does have the date window there. So you do not get anything ceramic in terms of the bezel. This bezel is definitely just black. So just a black stainless steel bezel here. So and if you know me, you know that I'm a sucker for a good Jubilee bracelet. I actually really do. I really love a good Jubilee bracelet. Let me see if I can take the plastic off this. I have one on my Seiko King Turtle. I did put that one did I did get that one with a strap code Jubilee on there. So let me see. This one has the arrow. Maybe it'll tell me. I just want to take off the side for the bracelet real quick. I just want to see how the bracelet feels. So it's an unboxing. I'm gonna zoom back out here. It's an unboxing in the sense that, of course, we also you guys see me do absolutely everything. So bear with me 1 second here. As I'm gonna take this side of plastic off. Here we go. We got this one coming. All right. Let's judge this. Because, see, the problem with a Jubilee bracelet, and I'll let you guys know this real quick, is that it can be very chintzy and feel very cheap very quickly. I will say this one feels nowhere near as good as the bracelet on my Seiko, the strap code bracelet. But keep in mind, that's like a $70 or $80 bracelet, whereas this watch was about 60 bucks all in. Okay, so just a bracelet alone on that watch was about $70 or $80. So it's not as good as that one, but also I will say that it doesn't feel as cheap as you would expect. It doesn't feel as chintzy and as kind of cheapy as you would expect a Jubilee bracelet on a lower end, watch to feel like. So, of course, in terms of the clasp, you do just have kind of this, this cheap pressed clasp here. Just kind of just a basic pull situation. There's nothing here in terms of there's no triggers, there's no not a butterfly clasp situation, just kind of this cheap lifted clasp. You have a piece of plastic on here, but you do have Ja McCabe. I guess that's shorthand for James. You do have Ja McCabe etched into the back there. So we'll open that up, and let's screw down the crown real quick. And we'll run down the specs, okay? So in terms of the specifications, guys, on the legacy diver. Okay, you do have mechanical, automatic, 3-hand with date. And that's just what it says there. So it's a little weird to me that it doesn't say anything about a Seiko NH35. That's what leads me to believe it might just be some kind of just like a kind of a cheapy, Chinese movement that isn't really specific to anything. Just because normally it would definitely say NH35, Seiko NH35 is a huge selling point if it is it being kind of robust here and not requiring a lot of service. A lot of people want to advertise that. It doesn't say that with this one, which is a little weird. Stainless steel case, okay, of course we know that. It says that the dial is black, so yes, black dial. That's another thing with these kind of lower end or cheaper watches too. It's not a lot of details here. It does say that the indices are applied. There are no subdials. It does say that it has a solid stainless steel bracelet. It is solid stainless steel, but again, the construction of it and everything, it does feel a little bit chintzy. Not as bad as you would think though, okay? 41 millimeters in terms of the case size here, so 41 millimeters. You've got a case thickness of 13 millimeters and a strap width of 20 millimeters, okay? You do have mineral crystal, but it does say that it has a sapphire coating on there, okay? Water resistance to 10 ATM, and you do get a 1-year international warranty. Let's pop it on the wrist here and see what it looks like. So now already I have to kind of force it on my wrist because my wrists are huge. So if you know on the channel here, I do have 8¼ inch wrists. Let me see here. I'm going to go ahead and try to shut this. Okay, so it does close. I probably wouldn't need to take any links out just to show you guys. But it is very small for me anyway on the wrist. There it is there. It's a little, I feel like it's a little bit smaller, and if you know also, if you're a fan of the channel and you follow, I do also have a small watch phobia, so I don't usually own a ton of small watches, but in terms of this one, this is a 41 millimeter, you can see that on my roughly 8¼ inch wrist there. You've got the Jubilee bracelet there that, like I said, feels cheap, but not as cheap as you would expect, and you do have the just kind of cheapy class there, James McCabe, so... there it is, guys. James McCabe Legacy Diver. Let me know. How do we do here? Is this one for $50? Now, keep that in mind. Bear in mind that this was $50. Obviously, it's not going to be anywhere near as nice or robust as this, as this Oris that you would find for, probably well over $1,000. Just something here that is just a $50 offering, something you can get into for almost no money. And listen, have an automatic watch, so would make a great stocking stuffer to send to somebody. You could definitely give these out for Christmas, but let me know in the comment section below, is this something that you would wear? Is this something that you consider a good deal? James McCabe Legacy Diver, thank you guys for stopping in. I'll catch you in the next one. This of course has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.